I'm moving out. If you guys already know me, hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you don't, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Loy or Kae. I'm an interior decorator slash content creator. Last week I was supposed to make a YouTube video for my channel, but I got really busy with packing. Originally, I was gonna film the whole entire process of me packing and moving, but I didn't think of how stressful it is to pack and film at the same time since I have a lot of stuff and I need to be like in my zone. So with that being said, there's a lot of things already packed. We still have a few more things that need to be taken down, like shelves, lamp, more shelves in my bedroom, and that's what today is for. My official moving day is tomorrow, but for today I'm gonna bring a few knickknacks over to the other apartment. I'm gonna give you guys a tour, so don't worry about that. But yeah, I have a lot of loose items and fragile items that need to be taken over. I'm not gonna move any boxes or furnitures because we're having a mover to move all of that for us. Speaking about movers, there's a brand called Lug and they're actually helping me with moving. They helped me move last year from my old apartment to this apartment, and let me tell you, they were amazing. Since I'm an interior decorator, I have a lot of home decor and furniture, and they brought everything over within like less than 2 hours, which is crazy. But yeah, they're coming tomorrow to get my couches, my bed, you know, just big furnitures and boxes. But yeah, the only thing they won't do is box the stuff for you, so you have to box everything yourself, which I prefer anyway because I have a lot of fragile things, so if anything breaks, it's gonna be on me instead of them. This is so random, but the other day I got so stressed out that I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna go get a tattoo. So me and my other two besties went to get tattooed together. This is what I got, and let me tell you, they were freaking amazing. The whole entire process literally took 1 hour and 17 minutes, which is crazy. Like, hello, how do you even do that? I was gonna say it did hurt a little, but no, it hurts so much because that part of my body never get exposed in the sun, so it's super sensitive. But since this is a living room, I want to do a wraparound of every other room, so dining, kitchen, bathroom, you name it. I'm gonna add more chairs in there, more home decor, a little window with my cat in it. Speaking about my cat, every time I mention them, I'm gonna have to show you guys. This is Mr. Man, and this is Yuno. I've always wanted to get tattoos of them, but I don't know what style, like if I want to go for more cartoonist or more realistic. But when I got this tattoo, I think it's the perfect chance to get tattoos of them. But anyway, I need to stop yapping and get to work because we have a lot of work to do today. I want to show you guys something. 1 second. I recently just got this wagon from Target. It was $68, I believe. You take this part out and then it expands. So cool. This wagon has been helping me so much. Last night I put all of my clothes in here and it fits, and we just drag it to the other apartment. Like, I didn't even put them in trash bag or anything. So yeah, I recommend getting a wagon if you want to move. So yeah, we're gonna fill this wagon up with random things to bring it over to the apartment. I'm not moving a lot because I'm waiting for Kobe to get off of work, so that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm also gonna go get some food and coffee, so I will be bringing you guys with me. Yay! This is most of the stuff that I can fit in the wagon. We have most of my art frames, some tote bags, this baguette lamp, some pots. I honestly could let the mover wrap everything and bring it over for me, but these are very valuable, and if anything happened, it's gonna be on me. Plus, I wanted to bring over the art frames because I wanted to start the gallery wall art. And let's hit the road. The road is so bumpy. Sorry guys. Had no idea. It's crystal clear. Love is here. Sitting next to you. I have a lot of questions from you guys why I'm moving out even though I just lived there for like a year. Well, to answer the reason why I didn't re-sign my lease, because one, my lease is up and they're raising the price. And since I live on this very specific street, it was surrounded by clubs and bars. And it gets really rowdy at night. It gets so loud, especially with bass. And obviously there's gonna be drunk people everywhere, which I don't mind. Like, they're literally just enjoying their life. But one guy has tried to break into my apartment. And when I told my management that I wanna move out early, I wanna break my lease, they were like, pay us $4,000 and then you can move out. And my packages have gotten stolen from that apartment complex too. Like, I'm pretty sure it's my neighbor because it's a gated community and obviously like you have to get through the gate to enter my apartment. So yeah, whenever I got the Ring camera, like it stopped happening. So I'm pretty sure it was my neighbor. So if you're watching this, give me back my laptop and my iPhone. And again, I asked them, I was like, hey, my package got stolen and this is like a lot of money. So like, will you be able to provide me footages from the camera, like from the garage camera? And they were like, no, we can't do that. And I'm like, well, I got the police to involve because like, it's a lot of money and I want my laptop back. And they were like, no, we can't do anything. So yeah, there was just a lot of red flags when I moved in that apartment, but I kind of like ignored everything because I love that apartment. I kid you not, when I first moved in, my apartment got flooded because the guy who installed my washer and dryer forgot to install the drainage hose. So like, clean water comes in, dirty water comes out. He forgot the dirty water part. When I went to wash my clothes, like my whole entire apartment got flooded. The second time was the toilet. I've noticed that the little pump thing, the water pump, has broken and they didn't do anything about it, and it got so bad that it flooded. When they came over, they thought I clogged the toilet, which I'm like, no, it is not me, it's you guys. Like, oh my god, I want to do tattoo tours really quick. So Yoshimoto Nara, I have red and black snake, Miffy stamp, what else, 2 butterflies, Tomie with an Oni mask, ribbon, and cyber sigilism, and then that tattoo that I just recently got. Tattoo tour. Okay, so we just got to the building. I'm gonna bring everything in really quick and I'll be right back. I just got this keychain holder not long ago and look how cute it is. Welcome to my studio. This is the main living room. The size of this loft is 1,100 square foot. This living room is literally so big. Like, this is the biggest living room I've ever have. And basically, I'm gonna build a little loft right here because we are lack of storage. So I really want like a raised loft. Probably not gonna be crazy high. It's about 5 feet. And then under the loft is going to be maybe closet space, maybe storage space, whatever we want pretty much. And then on top of the loft is going to be kind of like a hangout area where I'm gonna have like shelves for books and a little table. But that's another video for another day. So yeah, let's move on to the next room. This is the main living room area. This is not supposed to be here. Kobe and me just got really excited when we got the shelf, so we set it up right away. But I don't think it's going to be right here. I think our TV is probably gonna be right here, and then we're gonna have the bookshelves that I used to have in the other apartment either on this wall or this wall. I'm planning to do a big giant gallery wall art on this wall, which I think it will be really cool. I'm not 100% sure yet because we still need to build the loft and I want to build things around the loft. So that's why I bring the frame over to see if I want it to be on here or somewhere else. This bathroom needs a lot of work, which I'm probably gonna make another video for that because I'm planning to change the mirror, the light fixture, and I'm probably gonna add vinyl onto the countertops, change this, paint the wall. Yeah, it's a lot of work. We also have this really ugly dark gray floor tiles, and it's not even real, it's fake, obviously, that I wanna do something about it. I'm probably gonna put renter friendly, one of those like peel and stick tiles, feel like that would work. Over here we have the temporary bedroom area. I think this is where our bed is going to be. We really like how our bed is over here instead of over there, because I want that living room to be a big giant living room. I know it's a little weird having our bed next to our kitchen, because like, what? But just trust me, I promise it will work out. The kitchen is probably gonna be one of my favorite projects, because I'm replacing the hardware, painting the cabinets, putting contact paper on the countertop, adding backsplash. This is the style I'm going for. I don't know if there's a name for it, but I've stumbled so many of these pictures on Pinterest and I literally immediately fell in love. And now I'm gonna try to incorporate that style into my home. You know the girl on TikTok that goes, Zara, Zara, Zara? Yay! Literally me right now. Cabinet, sink, stove, fridge, candles. Yay! I didn't film the whole entire process of me moving little things over, but we just finished with the last bins. And now we're gonna go back to our current apartment and finish up packing everything else. So yeah, I'll see you guys at home. I'm gonna have to put the phone down for a second and finish up the rest, but I'm gonna show you guys the after we finish. Good morning, babies. Wakey wakey, it's time for moving day. I was gonna wear the shirt that I wore yesterday, but I found the shirt in a donation bag, so I'm gonna wear that for now. It is currently 9:30. Lug is coming at 10, around 10 and 11, whichever time. So, but a few things I need to do before they come. I need to take down a few things. So like my lamps that are still hanging on the wall and some art prints. We put up the bed last night, so I just need to put the sheets and the blanket in the box and have that ready for them. I actually have not packed the bathroom at all, because we still have like 20 days after we move out, like after today, so I'm not like in a crazy rush. But yeah, I'm just focusing on moving all of the big furnitures over, so that's gonna be the main thing for today. I still have the shower set that I need to take down, but I don't know how. It is literally glued down onto the tiles. I know they sell these removal kit on their website, so I need to get that. Oopsie! One thing that sucked the most is that we are not gonna have Wi-Fi for the weekend, because I signed up for the T-Mobile Wi-Fi thingy, and they said that they were gonna deliver it yesterday. And whenever I checked, you know, on my little UPS app, it said that it's hold at a UPS facility for pickup, even though I did not make that choice. I didn't ask. And then I called the UPS facility and I had to wait for 30 minutes for someone to call me back. After 30 minutes, mind you, it was already 7:30 and the UPS facility closed at 8, meaning I would only have 30 minutes to go there. But when they called, they were like, yeah, it's actually being held here for pickup for some reason. It's not that big of a deal, but it's still really annoying. I think the most annoying part is that I found out that I have to go pick it up myself and they didn't send me like an email or anything. I think that's why I was really annoyed yesterday. But it's fine, it's fine. It's fine. We slept on our old couch last night because our bed is up against the wall. But everything is pretty much ready to be taken over there. They just finished bringing everything in. I called backups and they brought food, so I'm about to eat and I'll see you guys in a little bit because I'm freaking out. I'm gonna go and organize everything now, so that's it for this video. Hopefully I'll be able to unbox and organize everything throughout this week so I can make a new video for next week instead of making you guys wait for another week. So yeah, I will see you guys sometime soon. Bye.